You failed, and you look at the ruins of your plans, thinking your story is finished, and that the darkness has won. Look up! They celebrated too early, because they mistook your silence for defeat. You are not buried! You are planted! What tried to bury you was the exact soil God used to grow your deep, unbreakable roots. The fire didn't consume you. It refined you. The same person they counted out is the one God is about to lift up.